Episode 31: Xavier's relationship with indigenous spiritual traditions. Hello everyone. In this episode, we explore St Francis Xavier's fascinating relationship with indigenous spiritual traditions, Xavier's interactions with indigenous beliefs, and his approach to interweaving Christianity with local spiritual practices had a significant impact during his missionary work and continues to influence modern perspectives. Xavier's interactions with indigenous spiritual practices and beliefs. St. Francis Xavier's missionary work brought him in contact with various indigenous spiritual practices and beliefs. His approach towards these traditions was marked by a combination of understanding and the introduction of Christian beliefs. Respect for indigenous beliefs. Xavier showed respect and interest in understanding the indigenous spiritual practices he encountered. His approach was not dismissive but sought to understand the cultural and spiritual context of the local communities. Integration of Christian teachings. While respecting indigenous beliefs, Xavier introduced Christian teachings and values, seeking to interweave them with local spirituality. This approach aimed to find common ground and bridge the gap between Christianity and indigenous practices. Mutual understanding and adaptation. Xavier's interactions fostered mutual understanding and adaptation. He recognized elements within indigenous practices that could be harmonized with Christian beliefs, paving the way for a more integrated approach. Continuing influence on interweaving Christianity. Xavier's approach continues to influence contemporary perspectives on interweaving Christianity with indigenous spirituality. His method set a precedent for acknowledging and respecting local beliefs while introducing Christian principles. Preservation of indigenous culture. Xavier's approach indirectly contributed to the preservation of indigenous culture. By understanding and acknowledging local beliefs, he played a role in safeguarding elements of indigenous spiritual traditions. Enduring harmonization of beliefs. Xavier's approach aimed at harmonizing beliefs remains relevant. It is reflective of the ongoing efforts to blend Christian values with indigenous spirituality in a way that respects both traditions. Impact on modern religious dialogues. Xavier's approach left a mark on modern religious dialogues. It inspires ongoing discussions about finding common ground and respect for diverse spiritual beliefs. St. Francis Xavier's approach to indigenous spiritual traditions, marked by understanding, respect, and an attempt to interweave Christianity with local beliefs, had a significant impact during his missionary work. His approach continues to influence contemporary perspectives on integrating Christianity with indigenous spirituality. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's approach is a testament to the importance of acknowledging and respecting indigenous spiritual beliefs and practices while introducing Christian beliefs, fostering a harmonious coexistence between differing spiritual traditions.